Let's take a closer look at the H8C security camera from EZVIZ. And this is it right here. It's super tiny, super high resolution. It will work on Wi-Fi or onto your Ethernet plugged in cable if that's what you desire. The power is necessary though. There's no solar panel unit on it, so you need to power it up, and they do provide you with the plug or the adapter to plug it in. I love the fact that it is 360 and will tilt up and down, so you've got a really big area to cover. And when I say big area, it's pretty big. 350 degrees all the way, and 80 degrees up and down. So really you can go and look at all those little corners that you're trying to basically monitor. It also has built-in AI, and what that does is basically will recognize shapes, either cars, pets, humans, to be able to start detecting them, track them, and automatically record as you monitor the area around you. It's really nifty. You can even have it on a preset angles, all the way to 12 presets actually. So I could say, I want to shoot this way by the entrance of my gate. I want to shoot there for the garage, for example, and then back to the center where my driveway might be, where the cars are parked. And it will go and basically monitor these areas one after the other. It's pretty cool. Super easy to run with the app for Android or iOS. And if you don't want to get any type of cloud management, you can put a little chip right here, so a memory card, all the way up to 512 gigabytes. That's a lot of space, hence a lot of time recorded. And you can even set up like kind of a guard dog while you're away. The flashlight can turn on, so whenever there's motion being triggered, flashlight turns on. And if you wanted to, through the app, you could actually set it up that it will also sound a really loud siren. So really great deterrent. And before I forget, I love the little bracket that it comes with. This is the bracket that they supply. And what it is basically is that you're going to be able to attach it to a wall or to a ceiling, depending on where you are, and then just have the bracket right there. So the camera is attached to the bracket. But this bracket is really interesting because it has those two. You don't have to just put it on a corner. You could really put it flat or right there at the top. So there's really versatile ways that you can install this camera. If you're looking for a really easy way to secure your home, EZVIZ is the way to go.